may be many drawbacks in this teaching. Please cooperate with me. Today I am going to teach about the chemical reactions, the continuation of that chapter of Standard 10. We have already discussed about the chemical reactions and the balancing the equation. Today we will discuss about the different types of reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So one by one we will discuss combination. First we will discuss about the combination reaction. In this reaction, two reactants combine to form, or more reactants can combine to form a product. That is called the combination reaction. So two reactants, for example, carbon combines with oxygen to form a product, carbon dioxide. In similar manner, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, H2O, to balance the equation like that. So combination reaction means two reactants to form a product, which is called, two or more products can be, which is called a combination reaction. Now let us discuss about the second reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Let us see what is meant by a decomposition reaction. Now decomposition reaction means that is a compound which is under certain condition but split into two or more products. The reactants are split into two or more products, which is called the decomposition reaction. For example, calcium carbonate CaCO3 under certain conditions, that is on heating, gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Similar manner, that is ferrous sulfate FeSO4 on heating gives ferric oxide Fe2O3. The valency of ferric is 3 plus sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So this is an example for decomposition reaction. Now let us discuss about the third reaction, that is displacement reaction. The third reaction, that is displacement reaction. Now let us see the displacement reaction. Here you can see, take three beakers. Add copper sulfate solution. Now copper sulfate is blue in color. Copper sulfate is blue color solution. So add copper sulfate solution in three beakers. So copper sulfate solution is taken in three beakers, and then add different metals. In one beaker add zinc, second beaker add magnesium, third beaker add iron. Now let us discuss what is meant by this displacement reaction. Now the displacement reaction means more reactive metal can displace less reactive metal from its solution. That is called displacement reaction. Here in this case, zinc, magnesium and iron are more reactive than copper. Here this is copper sulfate solution. Here, copper sulfate solution is taken inside this beaker. So copper is less reactive than zinc, magnesium and iron. So it can displace, this more reactive metal can displace less reactive copper from its solution. And you can see after sometimes copper will be deposited on the surface of these three metals. Now let us see the equations. Zinc is reacting with copper sulfate solution. So that gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Similar manner, magnesium is reacting with copper sulfate solution, which gives MgSO4 plus copper. MgSO4 plus copper. Similar, iron when reacts with copper sulfate solution, it gives FeSO4 plus copper. So copper is deposited on the surface of the metal. So this is called the displacement reaction. Now let us discuss the fourth reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. That is the fourth reaction, which is double displacement reaction. For this reaction, suppose if you take barium chloride in a test tube and add sodium sulfite in a test tube and add barium chloride inside. After some times you can see the precipitate of barium sulfate formed on the surface, and that is called the precipitation reaction or the double decomposition reaction. Now sodium sulfate, if you take, sodium is Na, sulfate is SO4, valency of sulfate is 2, and sodium 1, barium chloride is BaCl2, barium valency is 2, chlorine 1. So you can split and write. If you don't know to write the compound, you can see that sodium will combine like this, sodium chloride plus barium sulfate. After that, balance the equation. Now you can see 2 sodium atoms there, so you can write 2 over here, the equation is balanced. So this is called the double displacement reaction. In this reaction, certain case the heat is liberated. Some reaction heat is liberated and some reaction heat is absorbed. Now let us discuss about the reaction in which heat is liberated and the reaction in which heat is liberated, which is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Now exothermic, exo means out, thermo means heat. So heat is giving out. For example, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide when dissolved in water, it gives calcium hydroxide plus heat. Is an example for an exothermic reaction. Now here calcium oxide, which is called quicklime. Calcium hydroxide is called slaked lime. Now, while whitewashing the wall, calcium oxide quicklime is dissolved in water. After some time you can see its heat is produced and it becomes very hot. That is because of exothermic reaction. Now let us discuss about endothermic reaction. Endo means taking inside. So here endothermic reaction, it is absorbed, which is called an endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction means Suppose silver bromide. Silver bromide is used in photographic film. Silver bromide, since the photographic films is wrapped in black paper. Why it is wrapped in black paper? Because when it is exposed to sunlight, it gets decomposed. So it becomes useless. So it is wrapped and kept in the photographic film. Is wrapped and kept in the black paper because silver bromide is used in that. So here in this case, silver bromide, both are valency 1. Sunlight, it absorbs the sunlight and forms silver and bromine. Bromine is a diatomic element. So say bromine here, so two molecule, it is balanced. So it is an endothermic reaction. Sunlight is taken, absorbed and formed, decomposed into silver and bromine. The first reaction you can have in, that is what we have discussed, exothermic reaction. It is also a combination reaction, and this also can be a decomposition reaction plus endothermic reaction. Now let us discuss about oxidation and reduction. Now what does mean by oxidation and reduction? Now what is oxidation and reduction? Oxidation means the addition of oxygen in the chemical reaction, and reduction means removing the oxygen, or addition of hydrogen, which is called the reduction, and removing